So welcome to another live stream, guys. So today we don't have any red folder news. So 8:30 a.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks. So this event is already completed. So tomorrow we are having a red folder news event. So we are already trading at the all-time highs, and you can see price has been just consolidating. So I've plotted this quadrant levels on this 1 hour fair value gap. You can see price so far is staying inside this 1 hour fair value gap, and price has been in tight consolidation. So if you plot this quadrant levels even on the 4 hour chart, you can see price is staying above this fair value gap. Only the bodies went inside it. So this is a good indication for bullishness. So these quadrant levels are on 4 hour chart. So let me plot the same quadrant levels on 1 hour chart. Okay. So yesterday market closed around 25,332. So we are currently trading around 25,323. So hardly there is only a 10 points, 10 handles opening range gap. Hardly 7 handles, guys. By seeing this 15-second chart, you can clearly say there is no volatility at all. See, there are a lot of gaps inside this. But you can see already there is a divergence between Nasdaq and ES. Nasdaq made a lower low, whereas ES made a higher low. So there is a divergence, and ES is already trying to close above this swing high. So let me plot this fair value gap on ES. So you can see already price has closed above this bearish fair value gap. So this should act as an inversion fair value gap. And we are already seeing a reaction from this midpoint of this hourly fair value gap on ES. So let us wait for the first presentation fair value gap to form. You can see ES is already bumping high. But Nasdaq is not willing to move higher. So ES went into 7 p.m. first presentation fair value gap. So ES made a higher high, whereas Nasdaq made a lower high. So we have our first presentation fair value gap. So we have this huge fair value gap. So we have this low here. So we took out this liquidity, initial sell side liquidity, whereas so this dotted line is yesterday daily candle high. So we took out this sell side liquidity and we came into this bullish fair value gap. So once price closes above this first presentation fair value gap, then I'll be looking for long opportunities. So we took out this swing low and then we took out this swing low. So we took out sell side liquidity multiple times, and we came into this imbalance. So we want to see market close above this first presentation fair value gap. We want to see a closure above this first presentation fair value gap with the body. So I'm just plotting this longest wick. I want to see whether we are going to respect this wick, or we are going to, this wick is going to engulf this wick. So this is the midpoint of the wick. So you can see this candle closed below 50% of this wick. You can see again price is respecting 50% of this quadrant level. So we want to see price remain below 50% of this wick, guys. And my target would be this dotted line, which is yesterday's high. So this is just a little scalp. So this dotted line is yesterday's high, guys. So that's it, guys. So first scalp is over.